So another question we received the other day is it true that you can't get money from a settlement if your injuries are back and neck? Well, this is a very short answer, but no, that's not true at all. In fact, a big portion of the claims that we have represented have been neck and or back claims. And so there's no barring or saying that you can't settle. A lot of things go into settlement. Does the employer wish to settle? There are certain employers that have just a policy of not settling their workers' compensation claims. So there's not a lot that can be done about those types of employers. I know in particular, it's one of the bigger employers in the state of Georgia that has a policy of not settling, and the attorneys know this. And so when you try to hire an attorney, unless they find that there is something else that they can go after, a benefit that you're being denied, like weekly checks or medical care, something where they can get paid attorney's fees, a lot of times they'll turn them down just because for the attorney, they don't like working for free. It costs money to set up a claim. It costs money. It may be nominal at first, but it does cost money over time to keep up and maintain a file. And so as an attorney, they want the case to settle. And so it's important that if you are getting an attorney, you realize that. And when you speak with an attorney, talk to them about it. Well, when do we consider this? Is that something that we'd consider settling in your claim, depending upon where you're at? It depends on, have you gotten the medical care you need? Do you need more medical care? Are you surgical? I mean, there's a lot of questions that go into it. So it's best to hop on the phone, quick phone call, find out so that the attorney can find out exactly where you're at. Say, okay, well, these are some things you need to look out for. And depending upon who you're with, as far as doctors, you may want to consider changing doctors. You may want to consider an independent medical evaluation. There's a lot that goes into it, a lot of moving parts. So you're encouraged to reach out to a Georgia workers' compensation attorney, find out kind of where you're at, and then, of course, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.